Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use guided learning in Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with inputting our prompts. So first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your Google account. If you do not already have one, you're going to need a Google account because Gemini is not usable without logging in first. So once you've done that, now we can get started sending prompts. So guided learning in Gemini transforms from AI from a quick answer engine into a personal step-by-step tutor. So basically, once you're going to go ahead and open up Gemini, you're going to access the tools. So click on the tools in the chat box or the help me learn Spark icon above your keyboard. So you can see here we have the plus button that's going to enable you to open up this new menu, from where we have the guided learning step by step. So right here above your keyboard, you're going to see the plus button. You're going to click on, and it's going to open up this menu from where you can select guided learning. This is now going to enable you to input a prompt, and it's going to use guided learning to go ahead and turn it into a tutor to explain everything step by step on that topic that you asked it, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.